Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new, welcome and thank you for watching. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning around my home. And as you can tell, everything looks pretty messy right now. Yesterday I did some grocery shopping and I still have some stuff around the kitchen that I need to put them away. Plus, it's pretty much the end of the holidays and all of the holidays festivities. I still have to put away all of my Christmas decor, and I decided to start cleaning the house first and try to clear everything very nice before I start putting away all of my Christmas decor. And I was looking for that motivation, so I decided to take you guys with me with this cleaning today, and maybe can be the good motivation that you're looking for to start a fresh new year. And I hope you all have a great Christmas and have a great new year. And if you want to clean your home and have some motivation, come with me and let's do it together. And this is how the living room looks right now. It doesn't look super messy, but I still have to do some organization around, and I need to do some vacuum to the rugs, and I would like to clean the floors as well. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I'm going to be working today. I'm going to be working the kitchen first, and then I'm gonna finish over here in the living room slash dining table, and that's gonna be pretty much all of the cleaning for today. And just come along with me and let's get started. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like and enjoy to watch this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.